If you guys are new here, welcome to our flip home that we have been working on for 12 months.
1 full year.
It is now February. Joel surprised me on Valentine's Day with
A drug house.
this house.
Looking like...
Joel, the smell.
What? Let's change carpets or something. A little Febreze.
Why does it smell so awful in here?
I really just want you to trust me on this bond. It's an adventure!
I don't want an adventure.
I look at it, envision it, something so different. Instantly. The moment I saw it, I just could envision something so much more.
I don't want to make you feel bad. It just is not what I had in mind. Like, I enjoyed like remodeling our house, but our house did not look like this.
Still thinking about how we met. Yeah, I'm with you now. Oh, one thing that it's plain to see, the best thing in this life's for free, and that's so true now. And there I was with my world falling apart, hoping just to get by. I played it by heart, and now I sing. I'm with you. I'm with you. Oh, we're cruising down to Mexico. I'm turning up the radio, 'cause I'm with you now. You and me, we know that love is in the air, like the wind blowing through your hair. Oh, I'm with you now. I was waiting for the summer to end, thinking about the good times that we had. They were never come back again, but I'm happy as can be. Don't care about what others say when I'm with you now. Through the autumn and the winter snow, keep telling all the friends we know that I'm with you now. Remember when my world was falling apart, and hoping just to get by. Without knowing it, I still play it by heart and sing. I'm with you. I'm with you. I'm with you. I'm with you. I'm with you.
been one of the biggest projects we've ever done together in our entire lives.
This was ginormous.
But now that we're finished, I'm like, okay, that wasn't bad.
No, yeah. Now that we're here, it's just fine.
And I feel like we could do this again. If we had to do it again, I would do it again.
I think I plan on doing it again sometime.
Can we have like a little break?
No, can we have a little break, please?
Yes.
I need a little break.
Yes, we'll have a break, and who knows what our next project will be? I don't really know, but I think we need another one because this is a good way to spend our year, especially our pandemic year.
I feel terrible about that, but it felt like I just went to regular work every day.
I was seriously scared. I thought that the project was a little too big for us, and this has been Joel's full-time job. He wakes up, he came, he would stay late, he would come early. Everything is redone. It is brand new sheetrock in the whole house, all new flooring in the whole house. The only thing that we didn't redo was the 2 showers.
2 upstairs showers that were in good condition, to be honest.
All of our lighting throughout the whole house. If you haven't seen that video, I have a whole video on just the lighting, but the lighting came from Lamps Plus, and I feel like they truly elevated the place. Just so I don't have to say that I will link everything in the description, everything that I talk about, I will have in the description for you guys. We went through AJ Madison for all of our appliances, so the fridge, the microwave, the oven, the dishwasher, and then also our beautiful washer and dryer. So they're all Samsung appliances. We just went to like Lowe's for our hardware. We had a local company make the cabinets. One thing I wanted to show them, okay, I was really excited because you can pull this out and there are 2 garbage cans.
No, garbage and recycling.
Okay, and watch that. See that soft close? There is soft close in here. I think that they did such a good job. I told Joel, let me show you guys. So these can roll out. They have a soft roll in, soft close.
These have a dual mode too. You can speed it up if you want to.
Really? I didn't know
I was tinkering with one
that.
the other day.
This is what I told Joel. I love these drawers. I like the big old drawers. And something else that I like is, see how on the top there's paneling on the upper cupboards? I like that there's not paneling on the lower cupboards because it's easier to keep clean. You guys have been hearing me say that the master area is my favorite. It just is. So if you couldn't tell in the video, this back here used to be the master bedroom. And then there was probably it sat about right here. There was that teeny tiny little bathroom.
So little.
It was just so tiny.
And it was actually recently updated, but the flooring was so rotted underneath, we just had to gut it all.
I don't know how recent it was, but we'll start in the closet. Joel, you did a wonderful job putting in the custom closet. Thank you very much. Yes, I filled it with Bali robes because who doesn't want a closet full of Bali robes? And it matches on the other side. Beautifully done, Joel. Thank you. You honestly did such a great job.
It turned out pretty good.
Yeah. I would die for this bathroom. I just love everything about it. We have not shown very much of the shower, so I'm gonna come in and get just like up close. I'm in love with the hardware. It is just so pretty. I'm in love with the color of it. It just is so beautiful. We upgraded to nicer toilets, and that's one thing that we had someone mention. They were like, wow, these are nicer toilets than like most flip homes have. Yeah. Which I was happy with. So they noticed the tubs and the toilets all came from Mountain Land Kitchen and Bath, and the faucets, they all came from Delta, which just, I can't. And then we'll come over here to the vanity. So pretty.
So big.
It is so big. All the windows have been replaced in the house, and those were Amsco windows. You guys remember this window was a lot smaller, and then there was a window here that we closed off because I wanted there to be room for a bed and dressers, like nightstands, without the window getting in the way. And since we were changing the windows, we made that one as big as we could. Same with the one in the closet. This used to be big and kind of off to the corner right here, so we just centered it here because I kind of knew that I wanted something at the end like this, and I didn't think anyone would want like a big window in the closet. Speaking of windows.
Look through my gigantic picture window. That window gets so many compliments because it's huge, and Amsco is the only company that could make that big enough as a picture window.
Really?
I kid you not. And then also, I had a couple compliments for people. They were like, how do you get these windows to not feel cold? All the windows I feel are cold. And I was like, well, these are low E windows with argon and are just well insulated in a well-built window. And they were just completely complimented about the windows.
This used to be a solid wall.
No.
Oh, what was it?
There used to be a window right here.
Oh, that's right. There used to be a window here, and we turned it into a sliding door to go outside, and then their old door to go outside was here, where that window is.
I will be the one giving you a tour of the basement because when we first got to this house, Bonnie wouldn't even come down here. But I've made it very comfortable, and the kids have already kind of made a little bit of domain down here. But I really want to show these windows right here. Not so much the windows, but the egress and what difference that made. These windows used to be about that big up there, and then we brought them all the way down to 48 inches and as wide as we could. And not only that, they become a safety benefit to the house. So now kids can climb out them and egress out for a fire.
Joel, I cannot be more proud of the way the outside of the house looks. I wish we had video footage of the garage, but we just didn't think about it, and we weren't sure if we were going to enclose it, but enclosing the garage was the best thing that you did.
Oh yeah.
It looks really great.
One of the tasks that I completely underestimated was doing the siding on the house. We ended up tearing all the old stuff off, putting the new Savannah Smooth Nichiha siding on, and I liked this because it looked like what was originally on the house when it was built in 1966.
All right, guys, thank you so much for taking a tour of our completed flip project. I love you, Joel.
I love you too. And if you guys are interested in the cost breakdown, watch for that video, it is coming.
If you guys want to catch up on the whole journey from start to finish, we have a playlist with all of those videos. So that will be in the description below, and we'll see you all in our next.
Wait. What about the channel that like kind of told everybody how we did everything? I mean, I think.
And if you're interested in the specifics of how we did certain things on the house, you can visit Joel's channel, Today's Task, and you can watch those videos there.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.
And put it in your head.